It's almost like a real life Tetris. Most big home builders let you pick a floor plan and then you get the finishes you get. But what if True Homes, and the best way I can describe it is, imagine if you could have the kitchen in the back or living room in the front. Well, True Homes is really rethinking the way these big home builders are looking at the consumers. Let's talk to the rep inside and see what they have to say. Today we're here at True Homes in Thomasville, North Carolina. They cover a large area, but tell us a little bit more about the area and what you have. These are all townhomes, which in the past, Thomasville has had a very, very, very limited number of townhomes actually available. Only a small number inside the city that I knew of for years.
Yeah, absolutely. And so with us, when we plan our communities, we plan them years in advance. So this has definitely been something that we've been working on. And it's something that we did identify that there was a demand for townhomes out here, especially at an affordable price point. So that was kind of working in our plan. So I'm glad we were able to actually go ahead and break ground and get it going.
What is the expected finish date? Which I know that moves.
But yeah, everything can kind of always, change and speed up or slow down depending on pace and stuff like that.
Weather.
But I would say we'll probably be here for at least maybe another 2 years.
And how many homes are being built in here?
We're gonna have a total of 238.
What does the typical timeline look like? Like, I know you got some dirt lots out here. Let's say somebody's like, hey, I want to live here. I want this plan. How long?
Yeah, so that pretty much just depends on like when that home is scheduled to start.
Okay.
For example, our typical build time, say looking at like single family wise, is anywhere from about 6 to 8 months. Right now, we're typically sitting about right under 7. So a really good build time, but we can actually be very flexible when it comes to our building times. For example, we have a new initiative called our Slab Forward, which is basically we take some of our most popular plans, we go ahead and pour the foundation, and then folks can actually come in and say, hey, I want to build this plan on that lot. And then it takes 4 months or less. And they can still fully personalize, go to our design studio, choose their finishes, everything.
Nice, nice. How many are they single unit? Are they double unit, triple unit? How are they broken up?
Yeah, so each different unit can depend. We have some that might have 3 units, so like 2 in units and 1 inside. We have some that might be 5 units, some might be 4 units. It just all kind of depends on the layout of the land.
Let's say you're looking at the same model, and one's an inside unit, one's an outside unit. Is there a difference in price?
Yeah, there can be a fluctuation in price.
Okay.
Great thing about pricing here in the community, everything I have is priced either at or below $300,000, and with pricing even getting as low as $255,000.
What are the available plans that are able to shoot from? Because I know some builders have 2 or 3 in a number of maybe 150 homes that they can only pick from.
Yeah.
So how many plans are here that are available for choices?
Yeah, absolutely. So here in this community, I have 3 different townhome floor plans. I have 2 that are gonna have all the bedrooms upstairs. That's gonna be the Advent, which is what we're in right now. And also have the Alexandria. These plans are gonna be 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, ranging from about 1,800 square foot all the way up to about 2,200 square foot. Then I also have the Carver, which is gonna be just under 2,200 square foot as well. That's actually gonna have the primary bedroom on the main level.
All right, that's a big one for a lot of folks. That's a big one because it's hard. It's a lot of new construction, anything aren't putting bedrooms downstairs.
Yeah. So in one of our previous townhomes, we had a large demand for it. So actually, this is the first time we've offered it here in the Triad. So we've been excited for it.
And especially townhomes. I mean, I know you got some townhomes right down the street here that are much more expensive townhomes that are not new. I don't remember the year of them, but I've sold a few of them. Which of these plans would you say has the wow factor when people walk in that is like, this is the one?
Yeah, so each plan is gonna offer, different, great aspects of it. I would say the Advent is always gonna be our best seller, even just company-wide. It's always gonna be our most popular. Really, the great thing about it is it really lives like a single family plan because it actually is. And then also the Alexandria with the openness of the concept. When you first open the door, you just see everything and it's just like a wow.
Now I know most builders you got plan A and this is all you get. Is True Homes different? Do they offer upgrades? Is there ability for somebody to say, look, I don't want just the plain basic package?
Absolutely. And that's really our bread and butter here at True Homes, because we're unlike any other builders you're gonna find here in the Triad, because we're actually semi-custom. Whereas most builders you're gonna find are gonna be more of your production style builders, more of that, what you see is what you get, more of that cookie cutter kind of feel. Whereas with us, we actually don't even allow the same plan with the same front elevation to be side by side, across the street, or adjacent from each other. And clients truly have the power of choice with us. So for example, they can come in, pick their floor plan. We have over 200 plus company-wide. Each community is gonna have roughly about 20 different floor plans. And then with even different options and stuff within those floor plans. So they can choose their floor plan, they can go out and choose their lot, and then they can actually go out and then go to our design studio and fully personalize the home. So they can choose everything from your flooring, cabinetry, countertops, the exterior color of your home. We have different elevations, probably 20 to 30 different elevations for each home to do different brick options, stone options, materials on the outside. So clients can fully personalize their home and actually choose what goes into it. You know, just like, for example, like our coffee today. You know, we can choose, hey, you want the whipped cream and this or that. If you can do that with your coffee, you should be able to do that in your home. So that's really like our stance on it.
That's a lot of options. I have seen, and I can't remember the builder now, they might have 4 different types of flooring or 4 different types of knobs or something, some little choices, but they're not truly custom. You know? Going into any new construction and they're shocked when they're like, what do you mean I can't? I was like, this isn't a custom builder. You're not getting a custom home. You're getting a new home.
Yeah, I mean, with us, within our design studio, you'll probably have 50 different types of flooring. You'll have 30, 40 different types of cabinetry. We have like a design studio. It's basically like a mini Lowe's in there. Like you go in, you have all your different pendant lighting, cabinetry setups, everything. And great thing about us is you can actually go in there and fully personalize your home, make choices and changes at no additional cost. There are different types.
Now that's what I was getting ready to say is, how much does that fluctuate price when someone wants to upgrade or change something?
Absolutely. So with us, we basically have different options that already come included in the home. So you can go and make choices. Like for example, you'll have already 4 different types of quartz or granite countertops that you can go in and choose at no additional cost. Now you can say, hey, I want to do a different option that may be an upgrade, or you may want to say, hey, I want to upgrade my flooring or do something like that. But you can absolutely go in and make choices at no additional cost.
So there's a set amount here that you can change and not change the price. But if you want to, you also have these.
Absolutely.
Gotcha. That's good, because I mean, some people's like, well, I don't want to pay that, but I would like to have it, but I'm not going to pay extra.
Absolutely. And great thing about our design team is they don't work on any kind of commission or anything like that. So they'll never take a client and try to steer them into something that may be an upgrade. We actually go in there and before we actually run budget and figure out, hey, what's your option budget if you want to do things in the design studio? And our design team does a great job of keeping them within that budget.
Well, since you said that, budget, financing, interest rates, that's the main thing holding a lot of people back right now. Even though interest rate over the course of time is really not that high right now. But when people got used to 2.5% or 3%, 6% stings. So,
Absolutely.
So how does it look now if you're doing the in-house financing here?
Yeah, of course. So incentives are always going to be a hot topic. When folks come in asking about incentives, I say, hey, we got those. Let's find the home that works for you. Yeah. Because I can offer any incentive in the book, but it doesn't work if the home doesn't work for you.
Right, and I know some different plans have different incentives, or if they're farther along.
Yep, and where most builders are gonna offer maybe like a kind of one size fits all incentive, this is what we do. With us being semi-custom, we can truly tailor our incentive depending on what the client needs. So first, the way we do it is we say, hey, let's find the home that works for you. Then we're gonna make sure we pair our incentive up to make it make sense for you. But to kind of give an idea, I mean, looking at rates, we got incentive rates. So we can do rates as low as 2.99. We can do 4.99 fixed rates. We can help with closing costs. We can do things like move-in packages, design studio credit. We have an incentive called the True 20 with our single family home. So basically it's a package of about $20,000 worth of items in our design studio that clients would already get included in the home. We can do things, really just about anything that really can, we can tailor it depending on what the client wants.
Well, let's talk about that lowest rate. How does somebody get that 2.9 or whatever it was?
Yeah, absolutely. So basically, what that is, it's a forward commitment. Basically, we pre-purchase rates from our lender. So we can basically get a fixed rate down to that 4.99. And then we can take it a step further and do what's called a 3-2-1 buy down. So then we buy the rate down even further. So first year you'd have a 2.9 rate. Then the second year would be a 3.9, and then a 4.9 for the life of your loan.
Gotcha. That's nice. That so it's not a adjustable rate mortgage. You know what it's going to be, but at least it gets you in the home at a cheaper rate initially.
Yep, and then it turns into that fixed rate for the remainder of your loan, which is still going to be in a very attractive rate.
Yes.
4.99.
Is there any kind of insider knowledge? Let's say someone finds a plan. Is there a better time of the year, better time of the month, better time in the progress of building the property that they might be able to get a better deal than what it was originally listed at?
Yeah. So I would always say, anything that's completed, it's always going to be something that is probably going to be easier to get into. Like our incentives are always going to be a little bit higher on something that's sooner, because like, for example, when it comes to like a special rate incentive, it's kind of hard to offer a special rate for something that's going to be done in 6 months, just because we don't know what rates are going to be. It just doesn't.
Right.
It's something that's kind of tricky. So anything typically more of like a 30-ish day close can typically be a little bit better. But I mean, other than that, just, always, keeping communication, anytime I have, special deals going on, special incentives, things that are really, really nice, I'm always going to let you know. And so, you can definitely let your clients know and kind of keep them informed as well.
What makes True Homes better than the next guy?
Yeah. So I would say for us, it's the power of choice. Where most builders out are going to be what you see is what you get, more cookie cutter. Clients have the ability to choose what actually goes into their home. I always tell folks, hey, if you're gonna make one of the biggest purchases of your life, you should have a say in what goes into it. So really just allowing clients to choose what goes into their home. Also, I mean, just from our building process, we've even had inspectors in like city and county meetings stand up and vouch for us as a builder and say, hey, they build a quality product.
Well, being that this is a community, not just another development,
yeah,
what kind of amenities are offered in the area?
Absolutely. Yeah, so there's actually going to be a ton of amenities here in the community. So for one, it's going to be a low maintenance community. I tell folks all you have to do is bring out the trash cans once a week. Anything exterior is covered by the HOA, so you don't have to cut the grass, keep up with your flower beds. We periodically pressure wash. There's also a blanket insurance policy over the entire community. So as a homeowner, you only have to insure the walls within. If a storm comes through and messes up your siding, messes up your roof, HOA problem. You give them a call, they handle it. And then we're also gonna have a resort style pool, a cabana, 2 pickleball courts, and a playground. And we're actually the only community in Thomasville right now that has any sort of amenities like that.
Well, don't mention pickleball to my wife. She'll have me coming over here.
And we'll also have sidewalks on both sides of the street.
Nice.
Which is insane, because when you're looking at new construction, especially in this area, no other community even has sidewalks. Yeah, I mean, I see folks, kids get off the school bus every day, when school gets out, and they're walking back, walking home, and I'm like, I couldn't imagine if we didn't have sidewalks for them to safely walk on.
Yeah.
Or just in the evenings, we have families riding their bikes, coming up and down, walking their dogs. I mean, it just creates a better sense of community.
Yeah. Well, with the exterior being basically taken care of, it's almost like you're living in an apartment life, but you own everything.
Absolutely. And then I tell folks that the same thing. I'm like, it can really give you a smooth transition from, let's
super
say,
low maintenance.
Yeah, if you're renting right now and you like the comfortability of, hey, if something happens, boom, like my landlord covers that. Hey, I have low maintenance. This gives you a smooth transition while still having that single family feel and lifestyle to it as well. But it's low maintenance.
And ownership.
And peace of mind, especially with everything being new. When you look at anything sold, within the past year at this same price band, resale wise, it's going to be 200 square foot smaller and 20 years older. So, I mean, with that, you can just think of your roof, your HVAC, different updates that you're going to have to do when getting into the home. With new construction, it's peace of mind. Everything's new, everything's under warranty, and we actually keep all of our warranties in-house. So we don't have like a third-party company like most builders that they kind of ship folks off to.
Yeah.
We do everything ourselves.
How much is the HOA?
Yeah, so the HOA here is $225 a month. And that'll cover all that exterior maintenance, the insurance, and all the amenities as well.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's mowing and pool. And...
Yep, and I tell folks, I'm like, if you get your grass cut once a week,
Right.
that's $50 right there.
Right.
So that's already $200. That's basically your HOA fee there.
I know local pools are $1,000.
Yes, absolutely.
That's $1,000 a year. Now back to the way True Homes is being a little bit different here. But imagine if it's as easy as telling them, hey, I'd rather have the kitchen in the back so that when I walk in the room, when I walk in the house, I'm walking into the living room and the kitchen's in the back, looking out over the back, dining room's over here, bedroom's over here. You can mix and match. As long as it fits inside the footprint, you should be good to go. Matter of fact, even walls, if you want to move a wall or move a window, as long as their engineers approve your plan to move a wall or move a bathroom or bump out a closet, as long as they approve it, you can really customize these houses before they're built. Obviously, you can't do it after they're built, once they're built. But this is how True Homes is really making a big impact on the housing industry, the way you can just mix and match, swap things around to your liking. Not only can you mix and match the plans they have where they're building now, they can actually come out and build their own plans. They have some single family plans too that they can build on your own land. So if you're wanting to know about some of the great incentives they have or might have coming up, please reach out to me. I'd love to show you these houses and see what they have going for them right now. Thanks.